Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find Neymar on the FIFA 23. Okay, so let's go for the customize, edit teams, flop transfers, and we have to switch country and find Paris Saint-Germain. We have to go for the France and pick Paris Saint-Germain from this club list. We have to stay in the Ligue 1, the highest French league. And as you can see, Neymar Jr appears right here. He is on the 3rd place of the rating on the Paris Saint-Germain. And yeah, that's it. That's where you can find it, where you can find him. And also, if you want to transfer him to another team, you have to click X, and here you can change country, league, and also team, and confirm when you select exact team with X. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.